Would you marry a single father and help raise his kids?
My answer is probably if it's gonna be based on a certain relationship, but I don't think it's gonna be possible because I'm not gonna.
Only things that matter is I love him.
Would you move abroad for him and the kids? Would you marry a single father and help raise his kids?
Yeah, I think it depends. If God gave me a single father and I see that he's a good man and raise his kid right, even if he's alone, yeah, I will marry him.
Would you move abroad for him and the kids?
If I see that the guy really loves me and respect me, yeah, sure.
Anywhere.
Yeah, anyway.
What do you think would be the biggest culture shock moving to another country?
I don't know.
No idea.
Yeah, I have no idea. Because my personality is I'm very flexible.
Oh,
So I think yeah. And b- based on my experience, I already been in Singapore and Hong Kong. Well, ano,
You adapt.
yeah, I adapt.
Would you marry a single father and help raise his kids?
My answer is no because I want a single man to to marry and build our family.
Would you marry a single father and help raise his kids?
Um, Honestly, I would help him and I would marry if I would marry a single father if and only if he is a good father and a good husband for me and his child is not that big deal on me because I know for the fact that he's a good person and I would love to enjoy the rest of my life with someone that has a good heart and a good person.
Would you move abroad for him and the kids?
Uh Apparently no. I would love him to be with me in this country rather than to be on his country.
What if he needed to be in his country? Like, for example, because of work, would you, because you love him and you love his kids, would you consider moving?
No. Yes, I love him, but it's not that important that I would risk my life being in a country that I don't love and the country that is not that the usual country that I live.
Would you marry a single father and help raise his kids?
For me po, it depends but of course yes po. Because ano po, it depends. Pero yes, I see myself marrying single father,
And helping him raise his kids?
his own kids po.
Yes.
Yes po, if he is a responsible father and he can balance
Balance the what? His time,
his time for me and to
his kids.
kids. Pero it's okay naman po because time will come magkakabi.
She said, time will come, they will have their own children. Okay.
It's okay with me po because only things that matter is I love him.
Ah, that's very sweet.
Yun po.
Okay, how about this one? Would you move abroad for him and the kids?
Yes po. First is I love him and second it's great opportunity for me also to have a better life with him.
Would you marry a single father and help raise his kids?
As of the moment, actually, I don't have plans on having kids. So I think my answer would be no. But that's as of the moment, it can change. However, personally, if you would ask me, it's depending on the situation. However, in terms of marrying, I wouldn't. But probably on helping the kids, for example, if there's a connection or like a friend, where yeah, I can probably go with that.
Oh, even though you don't love him, just because.
How probably if it's gonna be based on a certain relationship, but I don't think it's gonna be possible because I'm not gonna be open for any relationship. So technically, it's gonna be no. I'm sorry.
How old are you?
I'm 24.
24. And your English is really good.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I don't usually get that here, but I'm very lucky tonight. We're very lucky. Thank you so much. We really appreciate your time. Would you marry a foreigner who is a single father and help raise his kids?
I think it's yes because I help him to raise her child even if he's not rich because I if I love him I will help him to raise
His kids.
kids. Yes.
Okay. Okay, well, definitely because you love the person.
Of course.
Okay, how about this one? Come here, ma'am. What do you call this? Would you move abroad for him and the kids? Like he told you, like, we have to move abroad, like this, like that. Would you go? Would you move with him?
Yes.
Okay. How old are you?
I'm 30 years old.
30 years old. Okay, well, anyway, thank you so much, mom. We really appreciate your time. Hopefully, we earn your subscription. And also, if you like our content, please consider becoming a member for exclusive videos. Thank you so much for watching and take care, everyone. Bye bye.
Beautiful reflections are all I can see as I